Good morning everyone. As you guys saw in the video caption, today is dyno day for the single cam. That'll be later in the day, but for now we're gonna go hit the gym real quick. So we gotta keep progressing, man. You gotta keep consistency. I'll fill you guys in on all the things that happened that have been going up at PowerHouse. All good things. All the things that they added, removed, etc. So I'll tell you guys. So first, let's go get some gains. Look who decided to show up. Hey, watch out, I'm gonna get copyrighted playing money trees. Let's go, back up. Look at that exhaust, so cute. Oh, you're gonna curb rash. Already going sideways. Oh. We came here to Salada real quick. She wants Salada. Hey, what do you want?
Salada.
So let's get Salada real quick. No, nothing from there. No, we're good here. Thank you.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
The herb marinated chicken, please. Yeah, thank you. They said you hate it, the cashier hated it, and the server. They're missing out, bro. She said, ew, the orange one? Hell yeah, the orange one. I'm about to get killed right now. I'm about to get killed right now. What's up, bro? We're waiting for Chris right now, or what?
Oh, I get out of class now.
A ver, let me try.
Fresh. What, tastes like medicine? That's what I'm expecting you to say.
Yeah, it does.
You're not there yet, honey. I'm sorry.
No, that's disgusting.
You're not there yet. I'm sorry. See, I'm versatile. Look, this is also great. But you know, come on, you know my favorite one. You get mango madness.
My favorite one is mango madness and peach tea.
So one time I was eating salada. She's like, "What's that?" And I was like, "You gotta try it." I'm like, "It's like I wouldn't say it's like Subway. I don't know, man. It's like if you guys ever been to Soup Plantation, I don't know. It's like a salad bar, but like on steroids, kind of." And then she's like, "I want to try it." And I was like, "All right." So I brought her one day, and ever since then, #1 customer.
No, I got the salad.
Oh, she got the salad.
And you got the wrap.
Oh, that's another thing. Hold up.
You didn't tell me to get the wrap.
No, hold up. That's another thing. Every time we go out and eat, I'm always getting the best food. 100% of the time. She got mad because she got the salad, and I was like, well, why did you get the salad? You should have gotten the wrap. And then she tried my wrap. That sounds wrong. Then she tried the wrap, and then what's it called? She was like, "But damn, it's so good. What the hell?" No, hold up. Talking my mouth full. What got me mad too was that the second time that I took her. Oh, the gas station's right here. The second time that I took her, I was getting her the wrap, and she was like, "Ew." She's like, "You put that on the wrap?" And she didn't believe the process, you know. Can't tell you guys what I put on it because, you know, then it wouldn't be secret, you know. And then she said, "That looks nasty." Takes the first bite. She hasn't gotten any other combo or like wrap other than that. Welcome to California. So, damn. Now your car got mad at me, bro. Bad juju. Yo.
You literally just
No.
Your personality. You literally just hit the curb.
Your personality is no. Your personality is in this car. You got mad because you couldn't take the L.
No.
You couldn't take an L. She doesn't know how to take an L, guys. In case you guys are wondering, no curb rash. At least for me, there's not. We're set. No curb rash here, boys. We're 3.5 miles away. What is it, like 8 minutes? Jack's gonna get mad at me. Well, I didn't call Jack this time and give him an estimated time of arrivals, because every time that I've gone to the shop, I always arrive like an hour late, like half hour. I'm excited, man. So like I was saying, I was gonna give you guys a quick breakdown. Honestly, I want to have the car there in front of me so that I can show you guys like accurately what was done and what it had and whatnot. But I'll give you guys a brief overview of what was done. I want to have the car in front of me, but yeah. So like I said, last time that you guys saw, when I was working at the car at the house, everything was ready to go. I was ready to crank the car 91. I plugged in the OBD2A to OBD1 jumper harness, got the P28 Virgin ECU. I cranked the car over like 3 times, didn't start. Got frustrated because tune day was the next day. So I was fed up with the car already. I was like, you know what, whatever, it's all good. We'll just leave it like this for the rest of the night. You know, I wasn't trying to break anything. Next day comes, and then I called AAA. We get the car out over here. Went over the car with Jack. He was gonna install the oil pressure gauge, the cluster to put the gauges on there. So that was pretty cool. I had the side pillar, but he was I bought the one with the space for the gauge pods here on the actual cluster. And then we kept going over other things. The wastegate, I was gonna get a Turbo Smart wastegate. I think I went over this already. And the injectors. Car looks great. New spark plug wires. Like it looks fresh. Jack told me, he was like, hey, why is the clutch so squishy? And I was like, oh yeah, that's an AutoZone clutch. Literally, when I got the car, I just signed the pink slip, and I was out of there. I started driving. We installed an AutoZone clutch, the replacement clutch, just to get it running. Obviously, that's not a type of clutch that you want if you want to produce some type of power at least. So he went ahead and told me that he was going to install stage 3. Don't recall the brand, but anyways, a lot of good stuff has been done to the car, so we are ready to go. That way Armin, the tuner, he knows what he's working with. We got the oil pressure gauge. We actually have a name brand of injectors, IDs, the actual flow 1050s. Get a lot of good videos right now. So yeah, man, hopefully it goes good. Hopefully that thing doesn't blow up. And if it does, that's my budget. So I can go back home. And we are here. Hopefully I drive out of here with a car. So now I'm gonna be sad. My car in the dyno somewhere. Oh, it's over there. Sheesh. I see it. Jack, how's it going, buddy? Good. Busy. I'm like a little kid, man. I'm hella excited. So just finishing the payment with Jack right now. All good. Trust me, man. This guy's top tier. He's a GOAT. 10 out of 10. Recommend him. Great guy. Great businessman. Here's the car. It looks sick. Looks cool. So the car's ready to go. Jack said everything is good. The car has enough fuel pressure. It's good. It idles and everything. So I assembled the head back and everything, so hopefully that goes well. I think I did the best. I hope I did the best. Jack, he did the very important mechanical stuff that the car needed. He double checked the fuel pump. It had a high flow pump. He said he didn't even recommend that one for 85. So like I'm telling him, man, when I bought this car, like I was telling you guys, I just fucking drove the car. So I'm impressed that whoever assembled the car before, it held up and it drove perfectly fine. Maybe it didn't drive optimal, but I mean it held up perfectly fine. He said the fuel pump that it has, he doesn't recommend it for 85. Again, we didn't even know what injectors it had. And then he said that the stock fuel filter as well, the fuel filter E85 corrodes it because it has paper in there. So hey man, I guess it was just a time bomb waiting for it to just go off. So it's good. We have not reasonable, we have what's the word I'm looking for, reputable injectors. Fuel pump is good for low boost, so we're good. So hopefully the dyno goes well. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Sometimes you do your best job, and sometimes just things don't go your way. But we're knocking that bad juju out of here. No bad juju here. So we're good. So we're just gonna wait for Armin and all that to get ready and set up, and we're solid. She's like, how long is it gonna take to tune? I'm like, I don't know. It depends how many complications there are. Hopefully none, right? And I'm like, could it be an hour, 2 hours? I'm assuming 2 hours, right? She's like, well, it shouldn't be that long, right? Because you're never gonna make that much power. What the? I mean, she's right. It's not gonna make that much power, but it's all good. It's all good. We'll let the haters, keep on praying for my downfall.
I'm not a hater.
You're a hater of the blow.
No. Are they tuning that one too? Or?
No, they're just running running diagnostics or just getting the feel out of the system or something.
You know, it's funny, like, their shop is literally, like, a street away
From CHP?
from CHP.
See, I want my girl here for Tune Day for moral support, but she wants to go home already.
Yeah.
He said, wait, man. The car's alive. Shit is sick, man. Didn't blow up. That's crazy. All right, so everything seems to be going good. They're just checking more stuff. Meanwhile, fuck. Game over. Damn. So, back in business. All right, so the tune is done. The car's off. Armin is disconnecting everything and unloading the car, so the car should be on ground zero in a few. Dude, I can't stop smiling. Car didn't blow up, man. It was a good day, man. Good day. Let's go. Let's go.
it's about anywhere from 10 to 13% difference.
Okay.
So on this dyno, on about 6, it was like 6 to 6.5 pounds of boost roughly.
Okay. Yeah.
It produced 160 horsepower. Fairly low boost, you know,
Yeah.
and especially because it's on pump gas, it's actually a decent result.
It's mob. Remind me to get rid of this bullshit headliner that's in this car, man. We're already munching through this halfway there. And we got the hot Cheetos. Ooh. The car drove phenomenal. Did notice that the steering wheel was upside down. It's just a hub. So I'll go over all the details tomorrow. Successful. It's a good day, man. It was a good day today. So that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. Other than that, have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.